Hello everyone, good morning. Israel, Iran, rising tensions, Trump storming out of G7 and oil hovering like a ticking time bomb. But our stock market, it's sipping chai and moving on. Despite chaos erupting in the Middle East with Israel launching fresh airstrikes on Iran and Donald Trump cutting short his G7 visit in Alberta, global markets and especially if you talk about Indian markets have shown surprising resilience. One would expect panic selling, spiking crude, soaring volatility, but nope. Investors seem to be saying been there, have been done that and seen worse scenario. So markets today appear to be decoupling from fear. The war drums are loud, but it seems the market has gotten in its ears, at least for now. Markets today appear to be decoupling from the fear. Even Trump jumped in saying he'll handle the Iran Israel conflict the way he handled India Pakistan war, hinting at assertive diplomacy or well more chaos. Meanwhile, G7 leaders continue meeting but without clear resolutions. Back home, though things aren't rosy either, India's unemployment data came out and it's not that good to be honest. We say that we are almost top 3, top 4 world leaders in terms of global economy, but if we have got employment unemployment rate going up and up and up, that's a real scenario because when unemployment goes up, there are no jobs left, and when there are no jobs left, the per capita income will obviously go down and consumer demand remains fragile. So while investors are brushing off geopolitical risk, domestic economic issues still loom large. And you have to understand one thing. US VIX is something that you as an investor or me as an investor have to look out for because US VIX is almost around 19 and 20. Once it goes up above 30 31, then it's a real concern because when markets are down and India and US VIX is up, that's where a real problem lies. We have to deep deeper in, and we have to understand this. And if the market is down and the VIX is not moving or it's stagnant or it's at the same place, then it's not a real concern. So VIX tells you a whole lot of story as to where the market is going to head. So as an investor, what you and I can do in this scenario, again the same story. Stay cautious but fearful, be selective. Corrections bring opportunities. Don't let headlines drive your portfolio, let fundamentals do that. And as a long term investor, just look out for the opportunities. And yes, cash in the bank is one of the best times to invest in this time period where there are a lot of uncertainties revolving around. Thank you.